Hey guys, welcome back to MS English. I really want to thank everybody who's watching my videos. If you do have any questions about the videos as well, just make sure you put in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? So for today, just a little bit more pronunciation. And also I made a video about how some letters sound the same, which are the CH and the TU. This is just an example of the ch sound. If you want to go and watch that video, thank you very much. Today, I'm just going to be doing the PH and the GH. Okay, so how they sound, they do sound exactly the same when they're in a word. Okay, so this tip I'm going to give you will make you never confuse the PH and the GH again, even though they sound exactly the same. So, first, how do they sound? So, they sound just like the F in a word. Okay, so just like this, so fish, the F sound, fish, okay? So this is how they sound. So some examples for the PH. Phone, dolphin, phonic, okay? PH, okay? Well, you can give those a practice. Now the GH, okay? Laugh, tough, rough. Can you hear the same sound? Okay, I'll put a PH word and then a GH word, and if you can hear that they're exactly the same. So we have dolphin, laugh. Exactly the same sound. Okay, you really want to give those a practice. Now, a tip about this, okay, it's very useful to know that these are exactly the same sound. However, when people hear a word, and let's say you're new to English and you're hearing these words, and someone says, laugh. It's like, okay, there's I can hear the f. Is it PH or GH? How do I know? It's like, okay, this tip is so simple and you'll never forget it. If it's a GH, for example, laugh, the GH is always at the end of the word. Okay? The PH will be at the beginning or in the middle of the word. Okay, so if you just see these examples, okay? Dolphin, the PH is in the middle. The PH is in the middle. Phone, it's at the start. So the start or the middle for the PH. GH, laugh, tough, rough, GH, all at the end. Okay, so I hope that was really useful, guys. Just keep practicing them. Just the F sound, most people find the F sound very, very, very easy. But yeah, any questions, guys, then please leave them in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the videos. You can find the subscription button just over here. And if you did like this video, you'll see more up here. This will be my playlist for pronunciation. Okay, I have many other playlists. Please check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.